Wall Street is bracing for a scenario once unthinkable: the abrupt dismissal of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. President Trump's consistent criticisms and reported discussions about Powell's removal have kept financial markets in a state of heightened alert, revealing a deep vulnerability within the system. These are not minor blips. They are early warnings of the severe consequences that would unfold if a dismissal actually occurred. The Fed's ability to manage inflation and maintain price stability relies entirely on its freedom from political pressure. Federal law states a Fed chair can only be fired for cause, a provision that would undoubtedly lead to a lawsuit from Powell. This would be a mess, as described by Wolf Research, potentially escalating to the Supreme Court. The image of a Fed chair forcibly removed from office while trying to assert his legal right would create immense instability and uncertainty, deeply unsettling Wall Street. History provides stark lessons from countries like Turkey and Argentina, where politicized central banks led to devastating inflation and currency collapses. This is the very real risk the U.S. economy faces. Analysts predict an equity sell-off and a counterproductive spike in long-term yields, painting a grim picture for investors. Even the idea of Powell's departure has triggered notable market reactions. A dip in the S&P 500, a significant jump in long-term Treasury yields, and a weakening dollar at the heart of the crisis would be a profound erosion of the Federal Reserve's independence, a cornerstone of U.S. and global financial stability. Adding to the turmoil would be an unprecedented legal battle. Unlike previous presidents, President Trump's public and continuous pressure on the Fed risks ripping the fabric of the universe. As one analyst put it, firing Powell would not only make him a martyr for central bank independence, but would also severely damage the US's credibility and its image in the world, undermining confidence in its banking and financial system. The resilience markets have shown to past threats might even embolden future actions, making this a true red line for the US economy and the global financial order. Beyond the immediate economic and legal chaos, a dangerous precedent would be set. Money